I was nearly laughing just at the sight of Joe. And then I got very fearful knowing that he was going to speak.
You may have noticed that I'm standing in front of a large RNLI printout. This was printed for me by the production team. I didn't have to pay for it. So thank you, everyone involved. And the reason I thought it was important was the RNLI is celebrating 200 years of being in service. I just thought I'd do a small interlude, a small briefing about the RNLI and all the good work they do and have done for the last 200 years. Because this is meant to be an opportunity to make you laugh, but there has to be some light and shade.
I'm shy. There has to be some light and shade.
So
Go on, Joe.
I'd rather you didn't make any noise.
Sorry.
Would you like the sound of the sea?
Yes, please, Bob.
Shh.
Thank you.
Son of a gun.
Thank you.
Oh, what is in trouble?
It's really flailing.
Son of a gun.
The Royal National Lifeboat Institution, or the RNLI, is a charity that provides a 24/7 lifeboat search and rescue service around the coasts of the United Kingdom and the Republic of Ireland. Sorry, guys.
Oh, who laughed?